So hello children, we move on to part 13 of our lesson on trigonometry. So just to recapitulate children, if I remember correctly, first 1, 2 and 3 video I have made on concept of trigonometrical ratio. I think exercise 17. Okay, so 17 I have done. What we learn in trigonometry, what are 6 trigonometrical ratios, sine, cos, tan. Then from 4 and 5, this I have given you introduction to complementary angle. What is complementary angle, how we get it, and few application in video 5. 4 is concept. Then 6 to 12 children, 6 to 12, I have made all on standard angle. Means this was based on 18.2. Just I told you what it is, and there are 7 videos on 18.1, 6 to 12. This you will see just today I made part 12. So full standard angle I have solved from ML Agarwal's book, 80% of the question, most of the difficult question. So complementary angle, if you want, you can get the concept from part 4 and part 5, and standard angle concept is from 6. Full concept I have given, 7 I have worked more on that, and up to 12 we have worked on standard angle. So here part 13, 14, 13 will be little mediocre question, okay, from complementary angle, and 14 and 15 maybe 2 will be required, where we will see harder sums, and in the last video maybe in 15 we will do the hardest sum of this complementary angle before we finish this full trigonometry in 15 part videos. So here we go. So for recapitulation of this concept, go to my video number 4 and 5. Okay, not 11 or 12. There I have finished standard angle. Here we go. So we have to find the value of this, evaluate. So cos 65 children we can write as cos 90 minus 25. Don't see down this, actually down will come here. 90 minus 25 is 65, and this remains sine 25. Cos we can write, here we converted cos, let us convert sine here, we could have done in another way. Sine 58 we can write as 90 minus 32. See, very interesting, these two remain same. But before I start and I go, just to recapitulate this, you should write like standard angle, the values of angle. What you should write here, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. These are the 6 things you must write. Cos 90 minus theta, why I have said in my part 4 of the video, is sine theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Sec 90 minus theta. So always write is cosec, or you remember it, cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Okay, this you please write. Now here I am trying to convert cos to sine, and here I am trying to convert sine to cos. Sine 28, let it be sine 28. Sec 62, I can write it as sec 90 minus 28. Okay, generally the harder one we convert, sec, cosec, cot. Don't convert sine to sec, convert sec to sine or cos, we will see. And here something very important children. That's why I have done standard angle. This is coming from standard angle. Cosec is reciprocal of your sine, and sine 30 is half. So cosec 30 is 2. See here how I did. Sine is reciprocal of cosec. So sine 30 is half. Okay, sine 30 is half. So here reciprocal of sine is cosec. So it is 2 by 1 is 2. So you square it. Now see the next part. So these are little harder sums. Okay, so cos 90 minus theta becomes sin theta. This step as per ICSE is very important. You cannot directly write cos 65 as sin 625. So first you have to show cos 65 is cos 90 minus 25, therefore it is sin 25. And in short, if you remember, cos sin 65 20, this should be complementary, you see. Then this sin will give you 1. So I get 1 here, same thing here, cos 32. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this also gives you 1. Here this one, sin 28, sec becomes cosec 28 and this is 4. Now 1 plus 1, this sin 28, cosec is 1 by sin, cosec is inverse of sin. Because it starts with C, inverse is S, and reciprocal of sec is cosec and cosec is sec and sorry, this is complementary angle, sec is cos, SC, reciprocal of sec is cos and cosec is sin. Starts with C, reciprocal is S, starts with S, reciprocal is C. These are complementary, remember, that is reciprocal relationship. So this will cancel and here we have 4. So finally what we get? Minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so what we get? 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 4. This will cancel. So what we get is 1 plus 4 is 5. Once more to recapture, this is 1, 1 minus 1. 1, 1 minus 1 and plus 4. So again this is 1, 1 minus 1 and this is plus 4 because we square. So 1, 1 cancels, we get 5. So kindly pause the video and copy. We move on to next question. So children, one very interesting thing is this question. Children try to find answer and do lot of things. This question, if you read properly, because I read when this question we were doing for first time many years back. So children were very confused what to do. Question is, write this as angle below 45. Okay, you don't have to do much. So question, express each of the following in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 to 45. So see what we do. Tan 90 minus 9 is 81. Okay, see here 90 minus 9 and cos 90 minus 18 is 72. Now tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, 90 will go. So tan will become cot and this 9 degree will come. 90 goes. Okay. Cos is sine, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So what is ultimately, this is the answer why these two both are less than 45 degree. That's all, don't solve and all, you won't get any value. Tan 81 is cot 9, cos 72 is sine 18. You have to find theta in terms of angle between 0 to 45. Okay, nothing doing. Some children were calculating, evaluating. So this is the question. Kindly pause the video and copy. Then we move on to next question. To question number 7, part 4. So here we have to prove all this question today, children. I'll try to do between 7 to 11. They are all proving sum. You don't have to see answer. I have to show left hand side is equal to 1, which is right hand side. So I'll do few more question, and from next video will be question 12 onward, and maybe my 15th video will be the hardest sum of this exercise. So what we do, we take the LHS. Okay, we take the LHS, left hand side sec, we can write it as sec square, or separately I'll tell you sec 22 degree, okay, will be, first we'll do, let us see, will be equal to sec 90 minus 68, and sec 90 minus 68 is cosec 68. Sec becomes cosec. Okay. Now next we see here cot. I'm not taking square value first. Okay, I'll come to the LHS. First I am trying to get this. So cot is cot 68. I can write it as this is 68, let it be 68. So cos is one relationship we know is cos theta by sin theta. Okay, so we know cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, and if you remember tan theta, this I may not need in this sum, but I am telling you is sin theta by cos theta. So this is what I get, and children, cosec is nothing but 1 by sine. Okay, 1 by sine 68. Okay, so kindly pause the video and copy, then we will go to the last part. Next we move on to 9 part 2. Here we see we have to prove left hand side is equal to 1. So we start with left hand side, children. So before I start, what I'll try to show you, sine 70 is sine 90 minus 20 is 70, and this format sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine becomes cos. This is what is complementary angle all about, cos 20. So here what we get, sine square 20 and sine square 70 degree, we can write it as cos square 20 degree. See, this is the reason, sine 70 becomes cos 20 and square comes here, minus tan 45. See, standard angle, that's why I have done in between standard angle. Tan 45 is 1. Don't write 1, we have to prove this, children. Okay, don't write 1, we have to prove this. So sine square plus cos square theta, so this identity also of exercise 17 comes up. This is what is in exercise 17, first 3 videos. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, 1 square is 1, which is 0, which is RHS. Okay, so once more, these two together gives you the first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and tan 45 is 1, 1 square is 1. So we get RHS equal to we don't subtract, 1 is equal to 1 is equal to, which is 1, which is equal to RHS, not 0, you don't subtract. This is 1, this we got 1. So if you see question, this particular question is sine square plus, this should be 0, sorry children. This proving was 0, I saw other question. So you get 1 minus 1 as 0, I was right. You will get left side as 0, 1, and this was 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so right hand side is 0, not 1. So kindly pause the video and copy. So now we move on to the very last question of this session. I told you in my next video, part 14, I will be doing 12 onward, and maybe video number 15, part number 15, we will see the hardest sum of complementary angles. So 2 more videos are going to come up, but here this is the last session for this, last question for this session. So again I start with LHS. Don't write this to children, we have to prove. So here, as I told you, just you see sine, cos and these two are complementary, means it will give you 1. Okay, try to see this. This should be complementary, sum 90, and this should be cos and sine or tan or cot or cosec sec. So cos sine, here I will try to change it to 90 minus 80 is 10. Okay, so here what will happen, cos 80 by, see here, this becomes cos 80. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this gives you 1, children. Similarly here, cos 59, I let it be cos 59, there is into hidden. Cosec, I can write it as cosec 90 minus 59 will give you 31. So cosec, children, cos 59 Cosec 90 minus theta, if you see, is sec theta. So this is sec 59. Now what we see, children, this is 1 cos 59 and sec is 1 by cos. So see, there are two things coming up. Cosec 31 I have converted to sec 59. Cosec sec, and 31 plus 59 is complementary angle. So sec becomes cosec. But this step is very important. Now sec is reciprocal of cos. Starts with s, reciprocal is c. And sine is cosec. So here this cancels, here also we get 1. So finally what we get? 1 plus 1. This is 1 and this is 1. So we get 2, which is RHS. So hence we have proved, children, left side is equal to right side. So kindly pause the video and copy. And thank you for watching this video lesson.